If you're preparing for the Microsoft Power Automate RPA developer exam, don't book your test before watching this video. Because in this video, I'll walk you through real exam-level questions with detailed explanations that can help you pass fast. If you're planning to pass the Microsoft Power Automate RPA developer certification exam on your first attempt, you're in the right place. This exam focuses on RPA using Power Automate, including desktop flows, cloud flows, UI automation, error handling, and integrations. In this video, we'll cover important Microsoft Power Automate RPA developer questions with detailed explanations so you can truly understand concepts, not just memorize answers. Question 1. A company needs to automate a legacy desktop application with no API support. Which approach should be used? A. API automation. B. UI automation using desktop flow. C. Power BI. None. Correct answer, B. UI automation using desktop flow. Explanation: legacy applications typically do not expose APIs, so automation must interact with the user interface, UI. Desktop flows simulate human actions like clicking buttons, entering text, and navigating screens. This is exactly what RPA is designed for. API automation is faster, but not possible here due to lack of backend access. Question 2. A desktop flow fails when UI elements slightly change position. What should be used to improve reliability? A. Hard-coded coordinates. B. UI elements, selectors. C. Screenshots. D. None. Correct answer, B. UI elements, selectors. Explanation: hard-coded coordinates are fragile because even a small UI shift breaks the automation. UI selectors identify elements based on properties like ID, name, structure, making automation stable and adaptive to layout changes. Question 3. A developer wants to run desktop flows on unattended machines. What is required? A. Premium license plus machine group. B. Only Power BI, C, Excel. D. None. Correct answer, A. Premium license plus machine group. Explanation: unattended RPA requires a premium Power Automate license and machine configuration, machine or machine group. This allows flows to run without user interaction, typically on virtual machines or servers. Quick exam. Tip: Microsoft Power Automate RPA developer exam is scenario heavy, so don't just memorize. Understand: desktop versus cloud flow, UI versus API automation, gateway plus unattended flows, error handling strategies, AI builder usage security best practices. These topics appear again and again. Question 4. Which feature allows communication between cloud flow and desktop flow? A. Gateway. B. SharePoint. C. Dataverse. D. None. Correct answer, A. Gateway. Explanation: the on-premises data gateway acts as a bridge between cloud services and local machines. It enables cloud flows to trigger desktop flows securely. Question 5. A flow must retry automatically when an action fails. Which feature should be used? A. Retry policy. B. Loop. C. Condition. D. None. Correct answer, A. Retry policy. Explanation: retry policies automatically reattempt failed actions based on defined rules, like retry count and intervals. This is essential for handling temporary failures like network issues. Question 6. Which type of flow is triggered by an event like email arrival? A. Scheduled flow. B. Automated cloud flow. C. Desktop flow. D. None. Correct answer, B. Automated cloud flow. Explanation: automated cloud flows trigger instantly based on events such as receiving an email, creating a record, or updating data. Question 7. A developer wants reusable automation logic across multiple flows. What should be used? A. Child flow. B. Variables. C. Conditions. D. Last created. Correct answer, A. Child flow. Explanation: child flows allow modular design by encapsulating reusable logic that can be called from other flows, improving maintainability and reducing duplication. Question 8. Which feature is best for extracting structured data from invoices? A. Power BI, AI Builder. C. Excel. D. None. Correct answer, B. AI Builder. Explanation: AI Builder provides pre-built AI models like form processing to extract structured data from documents such as invoices, receipts, and forms. Question 9. A developer needs secure credential storage. What should be used? A. Variables. B. Azure Key, Vault, C. Notes, D. None. Correct answer, B. Azure Key Vault explanation. Sensitive data like passwords and API keys should never be stored in plain variables. Azure Key Vault provides secure storage with encryption and access control. Question 10. Which feature enables parallel execution in a flow? A. Loop. B. Parallel branch. C. Switch. D. Variables. Correct answer, B. Parallel branch. Explanation. Parallel branches allow multiple actions to run simultaneously, improving performance and reducing execution time. Question 11. A developer needs to debug a failed flow. Where should they check first? A. Power BI. Run history. C. Excel. D. None. Correct answer, B. Run history. Explanation. Run history provides detailed logs of each step, including inputs, outputs, and error messages, making it the primary debugging tool. Question 12. Which automation type is fastest and most reliable? A. UI automation. B. API automation. C. Manual. D. None. Correct answer, B. API automation. Explanation. API automation interacts directly with back-end services, making it faster and less prone to UI-related failures. Question 13. Which feature allows looping through multiple records? A. Apply to each. B. Condition. C. Switch. D. On start. Correct answer, A. Apply to each explanation. This action processes collections, arrays, lists, by iterating over each item sequentially. Question 14. A company wants to trigger flows at fixed times daily. What should be used? A. Automated flow. B. Scheduled flow. C. Desktop flow. D. None. Correct answer, B. Scheduled flow. Explanation. Scheduled flows run at predefined intervals, daily, weekly, etc. Ideal for batch processes. Question 15. Which feature handles exceptions in desktop flows? A. Try catch. B. Variables. C. Dashboard. D. Report data. Correct answer, A. Try-catch explanation. Try-catch blocks allow handling of runtime errors gracefully, preventing flow crashes. Question 16. Which recorder is best for web automation? A. Desktop recorder. B. Web recorder. C. AI builder. D. None. Correct answer, B. Web recorder explanation. Web recorder captures browser-based interactions and creates automation steps accordingly. Question 17. Which feature logs execution details? A. Analytics. B. Run history. C. Both. D. None. Correct answer, C. Both explanation. Run history gives detailed logs, while analytics provides aggregated insights and performance metrics. Question 18. Which feature allows integration with third-party AP is A. Custom connector. B. Dashboard. C. Excel. D. Last created. Correct answer, A. Custom connector explanation. Custom connectors enable integration with external APIs that are not available as standard connectors. Question 19. Which feature improves performance of large flows? A. Parallel processing. B. More variables. C. Dashboards. D. None. Correct answer, A. Parallel processing explanation. Executing tasks in parallel reduces overall execution time and improves efficiency. Question 20. A developer wants to reduce failure due to UI delays. What should be used? A. Fixed delay. B. Wait for element. C. Refresh. D. None. Correct answer, B. Wait for element explanation. Instead of fixed delays, dynamic waits ensure the flow proceeds only when UI elements are ready, making automation more reliable. If you want more high-quality questions like these, download the complete Microsoft Power Automate RPA Developer Exam Practice PDF from the link in the description. Updated questions. Check detailed explanations. Check real exam simulation. If this video helped you, like, comment your score, subscribe. Good luck with your PL-500 exam.